It's not 915. It's your batch code only. MS. Yeah, we maintain them. Yeah, tell me guys. First I'm going to take admin server cloud API gateway. Okay, IPL provider MS. We are taking what there guys? Provider MS. Yeah, it's a bigger one. Yeah, you have to observe this one by one. Check it out. Java resources. First, you see all this stuff, guys. Application dot properties, some port number, some service ID, right? Some instance ID. This is to register with Eureka server. This is to activate all actuators. Health, show details, all the things are there. This is to link with config server. This is to link with what? Admin server. And this is a log file. This is simply what? Log file. Okay, that's good. Okay, now you go to this place. You go to this place. Yeah, first we have taken entity class, IPL team. Between IPL team and IPL player, many to one relationship I am maintaining. Okay, that means one player can belong, or many players can belong to one team. Okay, that's fine. IPL team, team ID, team name, owner, area. Yeah, these are metadata properties are not there. Version property. Next. Hmm. Okay, this is timestamp properties. These two are created by, updated by metadata. If you want, you can keep active switch for that one. I have not kept active switch. Leave it. Okay, we are ready. Now, look at the Vivo class. Okay, I don't want to deal with metadata while displaying output while getting the input. So that's why I've taken separate Vivo are not there. Team ID, team name, owner and area is there are not there. This is only purely to gather inputs are not there, guys. I think nowadays I made you people to habituate taking Vivo separately and entity class separately. Taking Vivo separately and what? Entity class separately. That's good. Yeah, next one, what is there, guys? IPL team management service, guys, not this. Look at the repository. A repository. It's just dealing, extending from JPA repository. That means we are interested to work with only predefined methods, na boss? Part. IPL team management service, guys. Total how many methods I have declared? 3 methods. One is register, one is get all teams, and one what? Get a team by ID. Okay, regular logic only. Only the thing is, when you call this method, you will get entity object. You have to convert into Vivo object. Sir, where is communication, sir? Communication is there in source MS, not in destination MS. Communication part is kept in what? Source MS, not in what? Destination MS. Right, boss? Come on. Yeah, check it out. Register. First, you got the Vivo object, guys, that we are converting into entity object. Team entity. Okay, we are setting created by copy property, Vivo data to team entity. And when you call save method, data will come to metadata properties automatically, guys. Any rocket science in this? No. Okay, next one is what? Get all teams. When you call find all method, you will get entity objects. You will get entity objects. But we want list of Vivo objects are not there. We want list of Vivo object. We created empty list of Vivo. There we are converting what? Entity object to converting entity object to what? Each Vivo object. Entity object. Getting my point there, guys? Yeah. Each entity copied this one list Vivo. That's fine. Okay. Next one. Get a team by ID. Basically, when you call find by ID method, you will get entity object. We have to convert that entity object to view object or not there. Say I'm submitting team ID. If they're fine, if not their exception, then I'm creating empty view object by using beanutils.copy properties. We are copying what? Entity object data to view object na boss? Sorry, entity 7 properties, 8 properties are there, Vivo 4 property. Whatever matching they are copied, whatever not matched, they will be ignored. Anything great in the service class, guys? It's a regular data JPA code only, na boss? Okay, that's fine. Look at the microservice, guys. REST controller, global path, team API. I'm injecting service. This is also regular, boss. Register team. I'm expecting what? JSON data in the form of from Postman tool. Okay, that we are converting into VO. Having VO, we are calling service class method. From there, we are getting message. We are returning that message or not there. Anything great? This is also regular one. Come on. Okay, that's good. Next one, what is there? All. We are no parameters, calling service class method. Okay, we are putting into response entity and we are returning it or not there, guys. Next, find by ID. Okay, we are getting ID as a path variable. Come on, calling get a service class method. Whatever object come, we are putting that object into Vivo or not there. We are simply literally putting that object into Vivo or not there, guys. We are simply literally putting that object into what? Vivo. Okay, that's good. This is what? Find slash ID. What slash ID, guys? Find slash ID. So this is the whole mechanism or not there. Okay. Or for exception handling, I am going for what? Team not found is custom exception, guys. REST controller advice. This is to handle illegal argument exception. Come on, global exception handling, guys. This is to handle all exceptions are not there. This is to handle all exception. Anything great in the destination microservice, guys? But so my question is, while developing player, you are going to have communication with the team of microservice. What you do? While resisting player, okay, player complete details, team ID only I'm going to give. But whenever player is saved, it should be saved, it should be linked with the team and team object also should be saved. If team is already there, okay, we capture the team ID, pass to team service microservice, submits the team ID, gets the team object. We link the team object with what? Player object. Then we call save method. Come on. Then what happened, guys? Player object is saved in player table and also linked with appropriate team object or not. So there we are going to have communication between two microservices or not there. There we are going to see the communication between two microservices are not there. Okay, that's good. Let me open this, guys. Import, tell me, existing projects into what? Workspace, browse, 1103, tell me, boot MS, 12, child MS, 13 of, oh, no, we change it to player MS is there or not there? Save finish. Player MS. Close all editors. Player MS mini project, guys. Yeah. First of all, you see the properties file, guys. You look at the properties file, guys. Now tell me. You look at the properties file. And tell me here, another port number, team service. No, this is team service. No, I'm not looking for team service here. Java resources, application dot properties. 7,000 player service instance ID. This is to connect to Eureka server. This is to connect to admin server. This is to connect to config server. This is to enable log messages. Come on. And this is to enable resilience 4J. Array circuit breaker Rabab. That means my source MS is talking to destination MS. If not there, come on. We have to get the default fallback method messages are not there. And a few days back only we discussed about all this stuff. What is there? We discussed about all this stuff. This is to enable circuit breaker concept are not there. This is to activate all actuators, boss. This is purely to activate what? All actuators. That's great. Fine. Okay. So that's good. Tell me this. First of all, entity class. Sir, why are you taking IPL team here? I'm going to maintain relationship between IPL player and IPL team. What relation? Many to one. While creating the special property in entity class, IPL team class is required or not required? Look at IPL player, guys. Yeah, whenever relationship is there, we prefer @ data na getter setter method, sir. We prefer working with what? Getter setter method. We prefer working with what? Getter setter methods. What do you say, guys? Yeah. This is my PID, P name, age, role, PID, P name, age, role. So multiple properties are taken or not there. This is the special property team, guys. Yeah, check it out. Many to one target entity team dot class. Cascade type, merge or all anything you can take. Fetch type what? Eager. Join column, foreign key column, pointing to what? Primary key column of the table. Here also metadata properties now, boss. Same old version, timestamp 1, timestamp 2, created by, updated by. Created by, updated by is there or not there? Entire relationship is there on special property. So many to one means what? Multiple players can belongs to single team na? But this time child to parent association, no parent to child association. It's not bidirectional, it's a unidirectional association. Because I have given multiple examples on bidirectional. One example I am giving on what? Unidirectional. Okay, that's good. So same thing, VOs also kept, boss. Only having data property, PID, PName, age, role, special property also taken. Right. VO, team VO, whatever already there, we are just taking. Okay. We are ready with VO. Okay, now let's see what we are doing. Service. IPL player management service. Here also register player. Here also find player by ID. Find all players. These two are not great, guys. They are quite regular ones. Okay, but problem is what? Whenever you load the child, associated parent also will be loaded or not? Because every player object is pointing to one team object. So we should know how to capture them. But when you go for register player, I'm giving player VO having what? Player VO. Player VO is IPL player VO. Team is there. But in the team, I'm going to give only team ID, not the entire. As a subdocument, I'm going to give only team ID. So capturing the team ID, it communicates with the destination MS, submits the team ID, gets the team object, links to what? Player object, then save should happen. So there is a need of microservice intra-communication or not there. For that one, we prefer working with it, Fin client. Which client, guys? Fin client. Okay. So before I show this stuff, let's go to my client component, MS. Get team by ID, path variable, int ID. This is pointing to what, guys? Team API slash find slash ID. Team API slash find slash what ID. Are you getting my point there, guys? Come on. Team API slash find slash ID. That is what I'm trying to capture that one now, boss. Come on. Yeah, here what? Team API slash, that's a global path. Find slash ID. This is the endpoint path. And this is the service ID of the target MS are not there. So fin client related interface is ready or not there, guys. Okay, now look at the MS now. Okay, look at the repository. Sir, why two repositories? Why two repositories? Uh, two entities are there. Okay, one for IPL player, one for what? IPL team. Two repositories are taken or not there. Okay, that's good. Tell me next one. MS. IPL player operations controller. What is there? Okay, but we have to look at first service part. Microservice intra communication happens where, guys? Service class, rest class, not here, right? So here we assume IPL player Vivo is linked with what? IPL team Vivo object only. We convert that IPL player Vivo object to entity object having IPL team entity object, right? Yeah, second. IPL player entity is equal to new IPL player empty entity object, right? Copying Vivo to Vivo. But one problem is there. This beanutils.copy property will copy main properties, will not copy what? Has a properties data. Each IPL Vivo is having team object na? This beanutils.copy property will copy only what? Simple properties data, not the special properties data. So what should I do now? From from what? Player Vivo, I am getting team object. I am also getting what? Hmm. I'm also getting team object from where, guys? Database. Okay, I'm getting empty object, I'm getting team object. Why, sir? My question is, sir, player Vivo team object will have only data. Come on. But if I get from database, I will get metadata properties also. Come on, guys. Uh, whenever you are giving any object to save method, you should give version and ID both, na boss. Then only it will decide whether I have to perform update or save operation. If version ID both are matching, it will go for update. If not matching, what? It will think about save object operation or not there. Okay. Now listen carefully what I am doing. This is very crucial, guys. You have to focus. So this beanutils.property only simple properties will be copied, not the has a property data. That's why I got team object separately. From database also I got the entity object. Come on. From database also I got the entity object by submitting ID, guys. But whatever team object data I am giving, that I am copying to whom, guys? Entity object are not there. But that means metadata is from database. Data is collected from my side are not there. Okay, now, whatever team object that comes, team entity that came, that I am setting to player entity object are not there. Come on. Okay, then I'm calling save method. Player ID has come. I'm confirming this so and so player is saved along with so and so team are not there, guys. Along with so and so team, so and so player is saved coming are not there. So why this headache? Why this headache means beanutils.copy properties no doubt copies the data between the two objects. No doubt copies the data between the two objects. Are you getting my point there or not there? Definitely copies the data between what? Two objects. But the issue is, what is that? Issue is only simple properties data it will copy, not the has a properties data. So that copy you have to do separately or not there. Check it out. We got player Vivo in having what? Team Vivo. Having what? Team information. Especially team ID information. Empty entity object, Vivo object copied this one. From player, we got the team object. From player, we got the team object. By submitting team ID, I got the total entity object. But if team object, whatever data is coming from end user, that I am setting to what? Entity object. Come on. Once entity object is ready, we are linking with player entity object or not there. Okay, now we are going for save object operation. Yeah. There's only here still no micro communication, no communication between microservices that I'm going to see in what RESTful web service. Yeah, tell me, boss. Find player by ID, regular story. Okay, find by ID. You will get player object having entity team object. But we want to give what? Player view object now, boss. Yeah, first what I am doing, guys. First, what I am doing, guys, opt dot is present. So I am getting player entity object. From there, I am getting team entity object. So now I create empty player Vivo in team Vivo. So I'm going to copy the data or not there. Okay, team entity data I'm copying to team Vivo. Player entity data I'm copying to player Vivo. Now I'm setting what? Player Vivo to team Vivo or not there. And returning player Vivo. So beanutils dot copy properties will copy main properties, not the in depth properties. So depth properties copy data you have to do manually or not there, guys. Yeah, same story in find all players, guys. You will get a list of player object linked with a list of team objects. List of player entity object linked with what? List of team entity objects. Are you getting my point there or not there? List IPL player, list player entities is equal to player repo dot find all. What is that? Player repo dot find all. Okay, that's good. But I have taken player Vivo array list are not there. Yeah, then what we are doing, guys? What we are doing? From each player entity, we are getting team entity. Come on. We are preparing player Vivo, team Vivo, and we are copying what? Team entity data to team Vivo, player entity data to player Vivo. At the end, we are going to set player Vivo to what? Team Vivo. And at the end, we are adding what? All these Vivos to list of Vivos are not there. See why again, sir? Only outer simple properties are copied automatically. Inner as a properties will not be copied, guys. Come on. Will be copied or will not be copied? Will not be copied, guys. Since not copied, what should I do? Since not copied, what should I do, guys? I have to go for explicit copy or not there. See, guys, you observe list of entities are there. Each entity linked with list team object, team entity object. That we have to convert into list of player Vivo objects. But problem is each iteration you get one player entity. You want to copy to player Vivo, but player will copy boss. But the problem is inside the team objects is there. They are not copied. That's why in each iteration you get the team entity object from player entity object and you copy that one to what team vivo object. At the end you link what team vivo object to player vivo. Like this you have to do for every iteration. At the end all player entity object should be copied to whom, guys? Okay, okay, list of player vivo object, list of player vivo object. Fine, guys, don't overlook, it's a process. It's a process that we have to follow. Okay, now look at the MS class, guys. Look at the MS class. Service injected, fin client related interface is injected or not there? Okay, fine. Look at this. Register player, player VO we are getting linked with team ID. Team object having team ID. Okay. From there, I am getting team ID boss. From player VO, I am getting team VO. From team VO, I am getting team ID boss. Okay, now you observe this client is fin client now boss. On fin client, get team by ID, TID I am calling. That means I am going for microservice intra communication here or not there? Come on, boss. Then what is giving, guys? That team by ID is giving team Vivo, right? So this team Vivo, I'm going to set it to player Vivo now, boss. And I'm going to call service class method having player Vivo. Come on. What their service class method is doing player Vivo, it is capturing player Vivo. Converting into what player entity, from there getting what team Vivo, converting into team entity, setting team entity to player entity, and simply calling save method are not there. Simply literally calling save method are not there, guys. Come on, everyone. String message is equal to player service dot register player player Vivo. At the end, it is saying what created are not there, guys. So here communication between two microservices. I'm going to get player Vivo having full player details and plus team ID. By submitting team ID, I have to get the team object. But that is there in what? Another microservice. That's why I've gone for microservice communication are not there. So I got the team Vivo object. Already player Vivo is the team Vivo. I linked player team service class method. Service class method is converting what? Both objects to player entity and team entity and calling save method. Happily inserting the record or not there. Happily literally inserting the record or not there, guys. That's good. Yeah, remaining things, no tension, guys, because that's just calling method. Show all player, calling service class method, displaying. Show player by ID, guys. Show player by ID. Tell me, guys. Okay. Calling service class method, whatever is there, you are putting in response entity, returning it. But for the first method where intra communication is there, I have enabled what? Circuit breaker are not there. There we have mentioned one fallback method are not there. So that callback method is just displaying the message. Some problem has come in communication are not there. Some problem has come in communication are not there, guys. Any rocket science involved, guys? Nothing. Only the thing is you have to put all the things together, nothing else. Come on, guys. Come on, everyone. Okay. Look at show player by ID calling service class method. Whatever comes, you are returning as a response. So entire magic is there in register player only, na? Player details completely. Team ID is coming. Capturing team ID. Okay. From submitting what? To destination MS. So there we are getting team object. There we are getting team object. So once we are getting what? Team object. The respective things are taking place or not there, guys. Are you getting my point there, guys? Come on. Yeah. Yeah, fine, guys. But do you want to communicate with these microservices directly or through API gateway? So now we have to configure API gateway for both these microservices now, boss. Come on. Yeah, let's see what is there in API gateway. File, import. Where is this? Existing projects into workspace. Here is what? Browse. Yeah, tell me. Here is 1103. What is there, guys? 1103. I hope you understood the restriction with pnutils.copy properties. That's why we have to write more for loops to copy the data, guys. It will copy only outer properties and simple properties data if names are matched. Though names are matched, it will not copy as a properties data. So you have to capture as a property separately and you have to copy separately and then you have to link what? Uh, has a property object data to main object data or not there. Yeah. Cloud API gateway. Cloud API gateway. It's not a great thing, guys. Tell me. 12 here. Cloud API gateway. Say next. Say finish. Say next. Say finish. This is my application dot properties now, guys. Yeah, Cloud API gateway. Port number I am taken is 9090. This I am linking with Eureka server na. Activated actuators. Come on. Yeah, routing I am doing. Routing I am doing. If URL is having team API, send the request to what? 707002. That is nothing but what? Team API. Okay, nice. If URL is having player API, come on. Send the request to what? 7001 service. Nothing but what, guys? Player API. Nothing but what? Player API. That's why I have given players, player APIs service ID are not there. Like how you did yesterday configuration, same thing. Okay, we are going for debugging or not there. We are definitely going for what? Logging activities. Anything great here, guys? Two microservices through API gateway, we are doing that information or not there. Okay, that's good. Mhm. Look at this. Enable discovery client SL4J. Why SL4J, guys? Because I want to do logging activities. On every project, I want to do what? Login activities. I hope you understood where is intra communication between microservices, guys. Everyone. Okay, once you see the practical, you will get more clarity. From the Postman tool, right now no front end. Front end is separate discussion. So from Postman, I'm going to get JSON content, having full player details, having some team ID. To whom? Player microservice. So that is putting into Vivo object. From the Vivo object, submitting team ID, asking team ID that is there. We are gathering it. Submitting the team ID to Fin client, we are asking to communicate with the destination microservice. From there, we got the team object. So the team object we are linking with player Vivo object are not there. After once linked, we are giving to service class method. What service class method is converting? Player Vivo with team Vivo. It is converting into what? Player entity with what? Team entity. Player entity with what? Team entity. And happily thinking about saving the record or not there. It's happily literally thinking about saving the record or not there. Yeah. In that process, what happened? Player object is inserted in player table. Team object is inserted in what? Team table. Having foreign key relationship or not there, guys. Simply literally having foreign key relationship. Array, I said player entity with team entity. And I said many to one relationship, right? So player object in player table, team object in team table. Though team is already there, okay, what happened? Player will be linked with existing team or not there. The player will be definitely linked with what? Existing team. Okay, that's fine. Okay, let's start the applications one by one. Where is this? Eureka server. com.nt run as a Java application. This is Eureka server. Next, I'm taking what, guys? Config server. Yeah. Okay. Oh, congratulations. Sit for a few minutes. I'll introduce in the dais. I'll make you people to speak. Okay. Yeah, what's your name? Piyush. You placed in which company? IMG Global Infotech. Okay. Share your success journey with them. Yeah. Jaipur also IT companies are there.
Yeah, like US based company. Yes. So hello students, like one day I also said like you, and today I just placed in Jaipur. So like Natras sir's like more of the concepts that Natras sir teaches, it's so brilliant. That's why uh, yeah, so that's why I especially come here just for meet for like Natras sir, because like today is my train for Jaipur, and that's why I'm going there. And like the sir teaches the deepest knowledge is that no one teaches in whole Amirpet or whole Hyderabad also. Like I have done like 2 or 3 times I have done like sir's Spring Boot and all the things. Like the most of the deepest thing you will see in the data JPA. Like no one will tell you the association in that deep level. You will find the videos of whole Amir pet, but you never find that much of deep knowledge that's are given. So yeah, that's my journey. Like one day also I come in Hyderabad with the dream of that I will be a associate Java developer. And like today is my the end of my journey, and I'm just going to my next step. So thank you so much, and yeah.
Sajjad. Naresh IT one
Okay. Okay, so yeah, so that Naresh IT also give me job, and I also get offer letter. Like the offer letter ended in 19th, like tomorrow, like yesterday only. But like they are just giving some another, like they just want to work with some another technology, and I just want to passionate with Java development. So that's why I just decided to give like just work on Java. After that, I also searching in Naukri and all the platforms. I just update my resume in LinkedIn and in Naukri and whereas the all the platforms. So after that, I just get a call, like a screening call from Jaipur, and I just clear that screening call. And after that, I have got 2 interviews, and in that 2 interviews, I have cleared the like in Spring Boot. They ask the interview questions of Spring Boot, like in Spring Boot and Data JPA and most of our REST APIs, and one coding question also. So that done in 2 interviews. After that, I have received offer letter, and like 1st October, I have like my joining date is 1st October. So like this is my starting to ending journey. Just okay, so which type of question interview asks? So first of all, like Java questions through like polymorphism and all this of OOPS concept. The first question arise with the what is Java, what is JRE, JDK, and JVM. Like I have done like 40 or 50 interviews. Yeah, completely like 40 or 50 interviews, all combined of that. So first question will be that like what is Java, JDK, JVM, internal working of JVM, and this many questions only and based on OOPS. And yeah, if the company want to work with multi-threading, they will ask you definitely multi-threading question. They will ask you definitely collection question. In collection, they will ask you difference between hash map and hash table, tree map and has yeah, like a tree map and like has set. Yeah. So this type of question arise. And in Spring Boot, they will ask like HTTP methods. What are the HTTP methods we have? What is the difference between controller and REST controller? What is Spring Boot features and what are the Java 8 features? They will also give a question of like Stream API and collection also they can give the question. So this many questions they will ask, and little bit they will ask you about the microservices, because like microservices is the deepest very deepest knowledge. Like we have the like servers like Eureka server, admin server, and so this is the like so much debates. So like I have just taken 3 or 4 interviews. They will just ask that what is microservices and what are the servers there. So yeah, that's all. So yeah. Yeah, coding question they will ask me. They will like definitely they will ask a string array, like a string like for like my in my first interview I got a pattern that is a triangle pattern that is one, and the next line one two one, then next line one two two one, then next line one two three two one. So this is the that's the pattern. Okay. So after that, in my second interview, I will get like I have get the string question that my name is Piyush, and in like Piyush, and you have the second string. Like first string is Piyush, then second string is my name is Piyush. So just find that the Piyush is there in second string or not. So we have to create that logic, and in collection they will just ask you like so many questions arise in like collection also. So yeah, you can learn from there. Yeah, that's all. Thank you so much.
You one mail explaining.
I have to share.
No, no. Send me one mail explaining your journey so that I can give in other places. Yeah, right. Congratulations. Yeah. Okay. No, I have not invited him. He came voluntarily and shared the journey because he want to share his happiness with, because he might be seeing so many people coming and sharing their journey. One day he aimed to be on the dais to share his journey. So he came voluntarily and shared all the things. Yeah, I think how many services we started so far? Only one service? Yeah, config server, Eureka server started. Let me start the config server. Here is my config server or not there, guys. Yeah, next one, admin server has. Let me start the admin server. Run as a Java application. This is my admin server. Next. Okay, let's start one cloud API gateway. Cloud API gateway. Yeah, next. Provider MS. Fine. Provider MS. Run as a Java application. Next, we got IPL player service, guys. IPL player service. Say next. Next. Finish. Yeah, if you want, you can use the Swagger API documentation also. It's up to you. I'm opening Postman tool here. I'm opening Postman tool here, guys. See, entire microservice communication is where, guys? While resisting the player, I'm linking with the team. That their microservice intra communication is. Yeah. Where is this? Alona cancela. Okay, something, guys. That's there. Collections. 1103 blank collection. 1103 blank collection. Tell me here, where is this? 1103 boot MS mini project. 1103 MS mini project. Add a request. What there? A request to one. request one. First, let me insert few records in what? One to team information in the team table. Okay. But I don't want to access that one directly. I want to access through API gateway. First of all, tell me API gateway is running on which port number? Focus, guys, focus. Help me in completing this task execution. Cloud API gateway application dot properties is running on which port number, guys? 9090. First, I will write that, guys. Okay. HTTP slash slash, what is there? Localhost 9090. That is taken, na? Okay. To tell that it has to go to team related global path, I have to give. Team related global path I have to give, guys. Okay, now tell me in team API, what is the in team service, team MS, what is the method we have to save the team object? Team operation, that is a player, guys. Wait. Team MS, tell me. This is MS, guys. Operations controller. Register is there. It is expecting JSON content or not there? Okay, but I don't have patience of writing the team information, Ra Babu. Okay, collect this. We have this class. ChatGPT will help me or not there? Okay, go to ChatGPT, guys. Where is this ChatGPT? Paste, guys. Paste. Give me one team info. Give me one team info. That's good. Okay, fine. It is giving something else. Give me JSON data. I have to ask what is required. Give me JSON data. Team ID 1, Mumbai Indians, owner Reliance Industry, area what? Mumbai, Maharashtra. Team ID should I keep, guys? Do I need to keep the team ID? Okay, 1 minute. Give me info. Give me JSON. Give me JSON data of CSK team. What team, guys? CS. Yes, boss. Okay, that's good. Copy this, guys. Come to this. I have to go it what? Post. Here, what is there? Team API slash register. But I'm using API gateway port number only. Body, raw, JSON, say paste. No need of passing team ID. Because team ID will be generated dynamically or not there. The team ID will be generated dynamically or not there. Okay, fine. Let's see whether it is happening or not. Click on send button. Cannot insert. Could not insert system. Insert into MS created by this one. Owner team name. Constraint null. Insert into. I have taken identity. Yeah? Identity means auto increment should come now, boss. But why it is behaving like this? Let me open this workbench. MySQL workbench. Acha, I think I'll tell the reason. In global properties of GitLab, I think I have not taken correct logical database name. Logical already there in that and some issue. Yeah, what I do? GitLab.com. What is there? GitLab.com. Sign in. GitLab.com. I think we are using GitLab only now this time. Yesterday we created in GitHub or GitLab. Okay. GitLab. Verify you are human. Yes, I am human. Click on sign in. Yeah, what is this, guys? 901 MS Mini Pros. This is our one now. Yeah, this is our one. Here is what? Application dot properties. Oh, it is pointing to Aracle. It's pointing to Aracle, and in Aracle already tables are definitely will be there. So let's change this one to MySQL at least. Okay, where is the option of editing, guys? Is there any option of editing? Open raw, download, copy file content. Here is there. Edit single file. Edit single file. Yeah. So let's keep Oracle MySQL related one. Com dot MySQL dot CJ dot JDBC dot driver. Yeah, tell me. JDBC colon MySQL colon NTSPBMS. NTSPBMS. What is there? 1103 DB. What's the username, guys? Root. What's the password, guys? Root. Username is root, password is root. Or actually, I used identity. Identity won't work in what? Oracle. Because identity work only in what? MySQL. Auto increment na identity mean. Dialect. org dot hibernate dot dialect dot what is there? MySQL 8 dialect. True update this one. Commit the changes. Uh, yeah, it shows sometimes. Mhm. Yeah. MySQL 8 dialect. I hope no errors now. Fine. So mm, now I think I have to at least restart two microservices because I have not used refresh scope other stuff, guys. Since I have not used refresh scope and other stuff. Okay, first one what? IPL team service. We will stop it. Next, IPL player service. We stop it. Go to team service first. Run as a Java application. Freshly you started, guys. Go to player service. Run as a Java application. This is done, guys. Yeah, JDBC driver 1103 root MySQL dialect, all this stuff. Yeah, we are ready with this. Now come back to the original story. Click on send button. Yeah, IPL team is saved with one na boss. 1 minute. Now I'll go to MySQL workbench. Connection. Connection. Okay. 1103 DB. Tables, guys. Okay, batch processing. All this hangama is there in this. Here, where is this? Yeah, tables are anyhow created, but what is being stored? That is important. Yeah. One Chennai, Tamil Nadu, created by Natras, created on this. Okay, India Cements owner and Chennai Super Kings. All this metadata, all this stuff is coming or not there. Now let me insert one more IPL team information. Okay, another team. I want to get another team information also. Royal Challengers. I think this year they got the cup, it seems. Okay, but fine. I think less than 30 characters. I hope this headache is there now. Go to Postman, guys. Here, what is there? Say paste. Team ID I don't need, guys. Royal Challengers RCB. I think remaining things are in control. Only that was quite lengthy. I'm just trying. Two teams are ready now, boss. Yeah. Now that is a request one. Okay. Save it. Now I'm adding request two. I'm adding request two. Team API. What is there? All. All teams should come. No, it's not. It's not. It should be get. All teams are coming or not there. That's fine. Save it. So I want to get the team by specific ID, guys. I want to get the team by specific ID. Let's see how to get the team by specific ID, right? Yeah. Tell me here, where is this? Tell me here, where is this? Come on, I want reply, guys. Tell me what is there. Okay, I'll say request three only. All find slash one. One team means coming or not there. Fine. So through API gateway, team service is working. So now we have to check player service is working in that process, whether it is talking to what? Team service effectively or not, right? Right click, guys. Tell me. Add request. What request? Add request. Right click, guys. Add request. Tell me. Request 4. Request 3 or 4 or 4. 4. It's going to send post mode request. Yeah, I'm going to say not team API. This is going to be what API? Player API. Slash seva slash find register. Who knows, guys? You are Pakana. It's a seva, it's a register. It's a save. Yeah, it's a save. Slash save. Okay, that's good. Body, ra. So I need to have there. Yeah, go to player view, guys. Take the player view and submit here. Player viewer, Varasta fellow. Player viewer should be submitted, right? Give me JSON data. In that one, this is also there now, guys. Yeah, it's 1 minute. Give me, give me just having player info and just team ID. Just team ID. Yeah. It's intelligent or not there, guys. It's not giving everything. It's just giving team ID or not. Why it is like this, guys? Are team is a sub object. Subdocument will start or not there. Okay. MS Dhoni belongs to team 2 na team 1 according to our. Okay. We'll modify before that. See, Dhoni is so popular, Rabab. I did not ask for Dhoni. Dhoni has come. All right. Yeah, that's good. Organic publicity, yeah. Organic celebrations. Organic highlighted. Yeah, that's one. Say paste. Team ID 1. Okay, now tell me. Player data goes to player Vivo. Inside the team Vivo is having team ID. So now my player MS what is doing? Capturing team ID, communicating with what? Microservice, destination microservice. From there, first getting player entity, team entity object converted into what? Team Vivo. And the team Vivo object, it is assigned to what? Player Vivo object or not there. This player Vivo object having team Vivo object passed to service, converted into entities, and record saving is happening or not there. Okay, click on submit button. Problem in every entity, 101. Yeah. Acha. ID generated. Fine. ID should be generated dynamic. You are right. Data too long. Okay, fine. Okay. Captain. Fine, Rababu. Yeah, player registered with ID value 13 or not there. Fine. Somehow why that number come, you don't worry. Somehow it came. Okay. 13. So here communication is happening or not there. Yeah, you refresh guys to information. Okay, here is what player info, guys. Select rows. See, this foreign key column is automatically generated having linking array association mapping, right? This foreign key and this player is generated or not there, guys. Okay, now let me insert another player in the same team. Let me insert another player in the same team. Okay, another player of same team of same team. Another player of same team. Okay. What is it? Ruturaj Gaikwad. I think he's from Pune, it seems, right? Okay. Because last time when I visited Pune, I have not seen any advertisements about other cricketer, more advertisements of this hero. This cricketer is there. Then I thought, oh, he's a local guy. Hmm. Okay. Now, fine. That's good. Click on paste. But player ID should be generated dynamically, na boss. Yeah. Team ID is there, na boss. Two. One, fine. In auction, he gone to other team. What is that? In auction, he gone to what? Other team. What is there? These people are like what? You pay money, they go to any team, right? Yeah. Fine, guys. Now we got it. Now you check it out. Here, player API all. I want to get all players information. Oh, 1 minute. Okay, let's not disturb. Let not disturb. Save only. This save word, you add another request. Eh, my dear. That's why don't divert yourself in the middle. Just we had a discussion on that already, right? Request file. Yeah, where is this? Player API all. It should be get mode request now, guys. Click on send button. See, we are not only getting player information, associated team information. 14th player belongs to RCB. First player belongs to CSK. Come on. Interesting or not there? That's great. Now tell me next one. This regular team by ID. Request file. Player API slash find slash 12 13 13. Dhoni is 13th on or not there. It's coming or not coming, boss. Fine. That's good. Great. So fine. Like this, we are able to see microservice intra-communication tables in association in one project itself. I applied all other facilities. Come on, admin server, config server, everything. ELK stack. I want you people to explore one by one. Anyhow, I'll give entire code to you people. You can explore it, right? Okay. So first, let me upload the document. Then let me upload all classroom applications. Yeah, tell me. Yeah, still topics are not over, but your 11 o'clock officially it's over. If anyone asks in Naresh IT, your batch is over. But you have a common topics to attend on weekends using common topics link. Offline or online, your choice. Okay. Okay. And anyhow, this Saturday, Sunday common topics is decided. Okay. Next Saturday, Sunday common topic also I am deciding. Okay. That is on Redis cache. Okay. Redis cache. What is that? Caching in Spring Boot programming. Caching we are going to discuss. Okay, by that time, these people will come to web application development. Once that is done, I will teach security, Kafka, JWT, everything, front end integration, everything I will discuss. Because they don't know web application development, I'm just going slow. But once they got knowledge of web application development, I'll take web applications related, distributed application related common topics, security part, integrations, all this stuff, right? Okay. Yeah, fine. Where is this? This is your quota? No. SPBMS 11. SPBMS 11. Cloud microservices. File upload. Class content. Spring. 1103. Spring Cloud microservices, right? What is the last session, guys? API Gateway 50. 13 is missed. 13 is missing. Okay, fine. ELK stack is missing, it seems. That's good. Classroom applications. Classroom application. Let me give final copy of the workspace. E drive. What is there? E drive. Workspaces. Spring, guys. 1103 or something else. 1103. Let's remove these two guys. Right click, guys. Up to, what is there? September 20, 2025. That's good. Now uploaded. Adi, what is object map? We discussed it long back, worst fellow. Adi, you might have slept us very nicely on that day. One day I discussed about REST client. We got JSON data as a string to convert into object into JSON data. What we have used? This fellow might have got task today or yesterday on that. That's why he's thinking that that is not over. Waste fellow. Okay. Session 3 not uploaded. How do you know timings of common topic? Next weekend I have given common topics timings. No, we'll keep it next weekend. Every weekend I will announce when will be the next. Okay, this weekend you already know. Next weekend timings are what? Um, okay, 1 minute, 1 minute. 7 p.m., 7 p.m. Right. Saturday, 7 p.m., Sunday. Oh, evening, huh? Okay, fine. Okay, we'll make it standard for template, guys. Saturday, 9 o'clock, Sunday, 7:15 a.m. Saturday, 9 o'clock, Sunday, 7:15 a.m. That's it. Okay, right. Actually, at the rate async annotation, that context to content, its purpose will change. It is for asynchronous communication. It is for what? Asynchronous communication, guys. Array, that is part of AOP, na? After arrival of actuators, right? There is no need of going for you developing aspect, right? Watch, I have given AOP videos, just watch once. To make a normal class as expect class, come Spring Bean. Go through it. See, there are old interviewers are there. They still feel AOP is great. So we cannot say AOP is outdated. I'm working with actuator. If they are aware, they accept. If they are not aware, they say AOP is still great. So that's why I've given videos, go through them. I think already I have shared the video. You please go through the videos. Right. Okay. Thank you guys. All the best. I think everyone knows my email ID. Yes. Okay. Always available in the email ID. Fine. Any emergency, you can come to Naresh IT directly. I will be available in the classes. All the best. I think it's been 4 months or 5 months. And no files. Array, I have a date, worst fellows. Huh? 10-4. Fourth month, fifth month, sixth month, seventh, eighth, ninth. Okay, 5 months or 6 months? No, no. On which date it started? 10th. Okay, 10th. Now it is 20th. I think 5 months. Right. Okay, fine. It happens sometimes. Oh, it's completed. Thank you. Have a nice time.